Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to break into the world of data science and wondering which graduate programs are truly the best in the US, then you're in the right place. Today, we're ranking the best data science master's program in the country and answering the big question: who takes the number one spot? Let's dive in. Data science is the fastest growing fields out there, and picking the right graduate program is the key to getting ahead. So, who's at the top when it comes to data science master program in the US? Let's break it down. So, coming in strong at number one, we got Stanford University. It's no surprise that Stanford's Masters in Statistics Data Science track takes the crown. This program is renowned for its combination of statistical theory and hands on experience, plus, it's located in the heart of Silicon Valley where tech giants and startups alike are always on the lookout for fresh talent. Now, for the second spot, we have Carnegie Mellon University. Known for its leadership in artificial intelligence and machine learning, CMU's Master of Computational Data Science program gives students the chance to specialize in areas like big data, machine learning, and data engineering. With incredible industry ties and cutting edge curriculum, it's a powerhouse in the data science space. Last but not the least, we have University of California, Berkeley. So UC Berkeley's Master of Information and Data Science, or MIDS, is perfect for those who need flexibility. With options for both in-person and online learning, the program covers everything from data visualization to ethical data prices, plus Berkeley's alumni network is a major asset for career advancement. So those are our top three in the US, but who takes the number one spot? Well, it's Stanford University, leading the pack thanks to its blend of strong academics, a prime location, and a top tier network of the tech world. Of course, the best program depends on you and your personal career goals and interests, but these three schools are definitely the cream of the crop. So there you have it, the best data science master's program in the US and who ranks number one. What do you think? Are you aiming for Stanford or do you have another school in mind? Let me know in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Good luck on your data science journey and I'll catch you on the next video.